Welcome to The Adult Man. My name is William, and today I'm going to discuss my favorite natural grooming products for men. By the end of this video, you'll know which harmful chemicals are commonly found in men's grooming products, plus you'll have a list of alternative products that work just as well without changing your body chemistry or hurting the planet. Let's dive in. A few years ago, my mom warned me not to touch the receipts that they give out at grocery stores. She said they make guys grow boobs. I'm pretty sure she was joking, but I did my research anyway because, how can you not? Unsurprisingly, it turns out she was wrong. But the BPA in receipt paper, our Tupperware, and yes, even our shampoos, soaps, and deodorants can cause hormonal imbalances that lead to less testosterone. Now, I'm not a big testosterone maniac, but I certainly don't want a testosterone handicap. I mean, this is the stuff that helps us build muscle, it gives us the drive to get it on, and it keeps our bodies in balance. When I found out that these chemicals are common in men's grooming products, I felt like it was my duty to set the record straight so that us guys can use brands and products that won't affect our manliness. Helping me do that today is our video sponsor, Helmm. Helmm is a natural deodorant brand for men that runs on a subscription basis. You pick up their applicator and a cartridge, and they'll send you a refill every 6 to 8 weeks. They have 4 different fragrances ranging from fresh scents like Hudson to spicy, intimate smells like Night Market. You can just pop out your deodorant and you can slap in, boom, their antiperspirant. When you're ready to do some heavy sweating, it just goes just like that. Now, deodorant was one of the first things on my first targets when I was going all natural. The quote-unquote natural brands still contain a chemical called propylene glycol, which is known to cause a lot of health issues. Now, I'm pleased to say that Helmm contains no propylene glycol, no parabens, sulfates, BPA, none of that garbage. And their cartridges use 60% less plastic than the average store-bought deodorant. Helmm is my new go-to brand because they're able to deliver long-lasting odor protection without adding any nasty fixatives or anything like that that can upset your body's natural balance. If you'd like to learn more about Helmm, you can use the link down in the description below and that will take you to their online store. Now, let's hit the shower. Many supermarket shampoos and soaps are loaded down with chemicals that are proven to be no good for men, even products marketed toward men. I've been using the brand FREY for my shampoo and body wash. It has a nice sandalwood scent, and one of my favorite things is that FREY also has garbage-free laundry soap and dryer sheets that have the same great smell. Another great brand I've discussed here before on this channel is Hawthorne. I reviewed their cologne, but didn't even get to the rest of their products. The cologne is excellent and they ship out natural body wash, shampoo, face cleanser, and face moisturizer. These are all trustworthy products, and I've been using the cleanser and moisturizer for the past few months. It's been helping me with the dryness I have along my nose and under my eyes. When it comes to hair products, I found that these are the hardest to simplify. There just isn't a good way to get a ton of hold without using synthetic ingredients. That actually drove me to start making my own pomade about 7 or 8 years ago. I haven't gone back. I personally do a simple mix of beeswax, shea butter, and then I'll add an essential oil like thyme or sandalwood to give it a nice fragrance. I love this mix because it's super moisturizing and I know there's no BS in it. If that recipe for all natural hair product is something you'd like to learn more about, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video just about that. But the beeswax shea butter mix doesn't really have that stiff all-day hold that other products have. The next best product I found, and it's one that I use if I'm going out or I want to look especially good, is BluMaan Cavalier Clay. The ingredients are naturally derived, and while it's not perfect from an ingredient perspective, it's the best balance I found between styling ability and simplicity. So to quickly recap, for a chemical cocktail-free deodorant, check out Helmm. As for soap, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, check out either FREY or Hawthorne, both are great. For face wash and moisturizer, check out Hawthorne and pick up some of their excellent cologne while you're there. For safe laundry detergent, go with FREY. And if you want the cleanest hair product possible, I really recommend mixing your own with shea butter and beeswax, but my backup is BluMaan Cavalier, and that's if I was gonna have like a big hairstyle or something that needs a lot of hold. Guys, please tap the subscribe button if you haven't already. It's a big support for the channel. Also, let me know if you have any favorite brands you're using in the comments below. I love chatting with you and learning what products and brands you're excited about. That's it for us today, guys. Until next time, stay manly.